while we respect the desire of in the creative customary lands to preserve the land that arises as native customary rights, to be preserved, to give benefits, to continue to give benefits to the native, we also recognize that the power of the natives on their own to raise capital for the development of such land to become modern estates, able to employ good management practices, agricultural practice, good access to the market, and a good price for their product. I must tell you here, it is fraught with a lot of controversies, but the government must not shy itself away from the job of making difficult situations like that into kind of system that will reveal more and more the benefit to the owner of the customary land. And I think this is, I hope, ought to be further made possible by knowing what the law, native customary law, is like. If that is achieved, and I think, JC, you will serve not only the legal profession, but a large number of natives of Sarawak who will benefit from the development of native land. And there are over 1 million hectares of this kind of land waiting for development in Sarawak today. Because of that, therefore, I'd like to say once again, congratulations, JC. I hope we make the native customary law a bit more certain today than it was yesterday before the publication of your book. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yama Muhammad Queen Sri. We now
Thank you.
Thank you, Yama Muhammad Queen Sri. We now have it's now time for the souvenir presentation.